Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Puzzle. Can you solve it before me? Don't rush, it's not simple multiplication. Try to find the logic or pattern behind these equations and solve step by step. Pause the video and try to solve yourself first. Now let's try to solve together. In first equation, 2 times 3 times 5 equals 16. Strange, how this possible? Let's try different pattern to find 16 first. First, 2 times 3 plus 5 equals 11. Wrong. Second try. 2 plus 3 times 5 equals 17. Also wrong. Third, 3 plus 5 equals 8 times 2 equals 16. That's correct. We found 16 for equation 1. Now we test this pattern on row 2. 7 plus 8 equals 15 times 6 equals 90. Oops, that pattern not fit on row 2. So what's the correct pattern or logic? Let's move to final solution. The pattern or logic behind these equations is a plus square of b plus c. For equation 1, 2 plus square of 3 plus 5 equals 16. Now we solve all equations following this pattern. Final equation, 2 plus square of 1 plus 4 equals 2 plus 1 plus 4 equals 7. So the correct answer of this is 7. Did you get it before me? Tell me in comment. Like and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more brain boosters.